Guys, it's me, Lyric6, and today I am playing Fortnite Chapter 2. Finally, I can play it because I'm at my nana's house, but yeah, that's the point. So guys, I never played Fortnite Chapter 2, but today's my first day playing it, and I'm very good at skilled gun games, I think, yeah. And so, I'm pretty good. And guess what? I have skins on the account because this is technically my account, but my dad's account at the same time. I already have my account, but this isn't my Xbox. It's my papa's. He just let me add the account on here, so I can play with skins because he's just a default. He doesn't have any V-Bucks, which sucks for him. Oh, hold up. Hey, Fortnite, get out my height. This is height advantage. Okay, don't think. Okay, I can't play Fortnite. I need Xbox Live Gold. I'm not spending no money just to play Fortnite. Why do I need Xbox Live Gold? Like, some people want to play Fortnite. Like, dude, Epic Games, why do you have to do this? Or is it just Xbox? Because if it's Xbox, please stop. I don't think you need this much money for people just to play Fortnite. Hold up. Let me reload this site. Please don't tell me I need Xbox Gold because no. Just no. I'm not gonna pay. My uncle has it. He said he's right across. He's like a short mile away. So please, Yeezys, don't. Yeezys, I just want to play Fortnite. You look like you are Jack. Get out my pillow tonight. Yeah, please, Fortnite, Epic Games or Xbox. Let me play Fortnite. I haven't got to play it last night. I really just want to play it because, yeah, I haven't played it yet, and I swear if I have to do Xbox Live Gold, I'm gonna flip out. Because I'm just gonna jump in that fish tank. Yeah, here's the fish tank. Oh, I know you can't see it, it's just very dark. Ooh. Yeah, there's actually fish in here. Knockdown Castle. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. They got a big cleaning fish. Big. I like them big. I like them chunky. Please. Seriously, please. Okay, yeah. I should have brought my code thing. So I like $9. Well, $10 for a month. Are you serious? Xbox, I don't think you need this much money, or Epic Games, because some people want to play Fortnite, but why do you have to charge them for, yeah, that? Why do you have to do that? People just want to play Fortnite if they haven't played it.